Welcome to Ultimate 4 Days Travel Guide for Krabi in Thailand. In this video share with you the best things to do, see, and eat in Krabi, as well as some tips and tricks to make the most of your trip. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this Ultimate Krabi Travel Guide. On your first day in Krabi, you will want to explore the main town of Krabi and its surroundings. Day 1. Start your day with a delicious breakfast at one of the many cafes and restaurants in the town center. You can try some local dishes, like Khao Khanab, rice soup, roti, flatbread, or khanom jeen, rice noodles with curry. After breakfast, head to the Krabi River and take a longtail boat to Khao Khanab Nam, 2 limestone hills that are the symbol of Krabi. You can climb up the stairs to enjoy the panoramic view of the river and the town, or visit the caves inside the hills where you can see some ancient paintings and stalactites. Next, take another boat to Koh Klang, a small island near the mouth of the river. Here you can experience the traditional way of life of the local fishermen and farmers. You can also visit some attractions on the island, such as the mangrove forest, the batik workshop, the rice fields, and the Museum of Shells and Fossils. You can also rent a bicycle and explore the island at your own pace. For lunch, you can try some fresh seafood at one of the restaurants on Koh Klang, or head back to Krabi town and sample some street food at the Maharaj market. This is also a great place to buy some souvenirs, such as handicrafts, clothes, spices, and snacks. In the afternoon, you can relax at Thara Park, a large green space along the river where you can enjoy a picnic, play some games, or rent a kayak. You can also visit Wat Korawaram, a white temple on a hill overlooking the town. This temple is one of the most important religious sites in Krabi, and features a large Buddha statue and colorful murals. For dinner, you can head to Chao Pier night market, where you can find a variety of food stalls selling Thai and international dishes. You can also enjoy some live music and entertainment at the market. Alternatively, you can go to Ao Nang Beach, which is about 20 minutes away by car or bus from Krabi town. Ao Nang is one of the most popular tourist areas in Krabi, and has a lively nightlife scene with many bars, clubs, and restaurants. Day 2. You will want to explore some of the amazing islands that are nearby. There are many options for island hopping tours that you can book online or through your hotel or travel agency. One of the most popular tours is the 4 Islands Tour, which takes you to 4 stunning islands: Pranang Beach, Tup Island, Chicken Island, and Poda Island. Pranang Beach is located on Railay Peninsula, which is only accessible by boat from Ao Nang or Krabi town. This beach is famous for its dramatic limestone cliffs that surround it, and its sacred cave where locals worship a phallic-shaped rock. You can also enjoy swimming, snorkeling, or kayaking in the clear water. Tup Island is a small island that is connected to Chicken Island by a sandbar that appears during low tide. You can walk from one island to another and enjoy the views of the sea and the mountains. You can also swim or snorkel in the shallow water and see some colorful fish and coral. Chicken Island is named after its shape that resembles a chicken's head. This island is also a great spot for snorkeling as it has a rich marine life and coral reef. You can also hike up to the viewpoint on top of the island and see the surrounding islands. Poda Island is a larger island that has a long white sandy beach and a lush forest. This island is perfect for relaxing under the sun or shade of the trees. You can also swim or snorkel in the crystal clear water, or have a picnic on the beach. The 4 Islands Tour usually includes lunch, snacks, drinks, snorkeling equipment, hotel transfers, and the tour lasts for about 7 hours. Day 3. You will want to experience some adventure activities that will get your adrenaline pumping. One of the best things to do in Krabi is rock climbing on Railay Peninsula. Railay is considered one of the best rock climbing destinations in the world, with over 700 routes for all levels of climbers. You can book a half-day or full-day rock climbing course with a professional guide, and learn the basics of rock climbing or improve your skills. You can also enjoy the stunning views of the sea and the cliffs from the top of the rocks. Another exciting activity that you can do in Krabi is ziplining at Treetop Adventure Park. This park is located in Ao Luke district, about an hour away by car from Krabi town. Here you can fly through the trees on 50 ziplines, and challenge yourself on 69 platforms, bridges, and nets. You can also enjoy the natural scenery and wildlife of the rainforest. The park offers different courses for different ages and abilities, and provides safety equipment and instruction. The park is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you prefer something more relaxing, you can also visit the Emerald Pool and the hot springs in Klong Tom district, about 40 minutes away by car from Krabi town. The Emerald Pool is a natural pool with turquoise water that is fed by a spring. The water is clear, refreshing and surrounded by greenery. You can swim or walk in the pool and enjoy the tranquility of nature. The hot springs are another natural attraction that are located nearby. These are natural jacuzzis with mineral-rich water that is heated by volcanic chambers. The water temperature ranges from 35 to 40 degrees Celsius and is said to have healing properties for the skin and muscles. You can soak in the hot springs and relax your body and mind. Day 4. On your fourth and final day in Krabi, you will want to explore some of the cultural and historical attractions that Krabi has to offer. Start your day with a visit to Wat Pham Sua, also known as Tiger Cave Temple. This temple is located about 10 kilometers away from Krabi town and is one of the most sacred sites in Krabi. The temple is named after a tiger that used to live in one of the caves where a monk meditated. You can see some tiger paw prints on the walls of the cave, as well as some Buddha statues and relics. The main attraction of the temple is the summit, where you can see a huge golden Buddha statue and a panoramic view of Krabi. To reach the summit, you have to climb 1,237 steps, which can be quite challenging but rewarding. The best time to visit the temple is early in the morning or late in the afternoon, when it is cooler and less crowded. Next, head to Krabi Town Walking Street, which is a lively market that takes place every weekend from Friday to Sunday, from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Here you can find a variety of stalls selling clothes, accessories, souvenirs, art, and food. You can also enjoy some live music, dance, and cultural performances at the market. This is a great place to mingle with the locals and experience the vibrant atmosphere of Krabi. For lunch, you can try some local specialties at one of the many restaurants or street food vendors at the market. Some of the dishes that you should try are khao yam, rice salad, khao mak gai, chicken biryani, mu ping, grilled pork skewers, sam tam, papaya salad, pad thai, stir-fried noodles, and mango sticky rice, dessert. In the afternoon, you can visit Krabi Contemporary Art Museum, which is located near Thara Park. This museum showcases some modern artworks by local and international artists, as well as some traditional art forms, like batik and pottery. The museum is open from Tuesday to Sunday, from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., and admission is free. For dinner, you can head to Ruin Mai Restaurant, which is one of the best restaurants in Krabi for authentic Thai cuisine. This restaurant is located in a wooden house surrounded by a garden and serves dishes made with fresh ingredients from their own farm. Some of their specialties are Tom Yum Gung, spicy shrimp soup, Geng Song, sour curry, Pla Tod Kamin, fried fish with turmeric, Yam Woon Sen, glass noodle salad, and Masaman curry, curry with coconut milk. The restaurant is open daily from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. We hope you enjoyed this guide on how to spend 4 amazing days in Krabi, Thailand. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more travel videos like this one. Thank you for watching and see you next time.